So, do you do any any like stretching, releasing, breathing, yoga type stuff? Anything to sort of, do you do anything on a daily basis where you set a time, let's say try to fit in yoga? For how long and how often? I think that a breathing practice and a movement practice, and yoga is both, needs to be like brushing your teeth. Especially in this day and age where we are mindfulness at night but not enough. Yeah, that's what I meant, that's what I thought it's gonna be, is that we think that we, like in this day and age, there's so much going on that we need to understand that moving your body and breathing exercises are sort of like brushing your teeth. So think of, let's say, watching the news as if you are eating a meal, and after each meal you should brush your teeth, but after each information intake you also need to brush your, let's say, energy, let's say your a light body, or however you want to call it, nervous system, if you're not into this whole energy, light, blah blah stuff, just nervous system. So after you woke up in the morning, you drive them to school, you come back, you sit at home, you sit at your PC, then you go get them, come back. So one of the things could be that, like, if you, so let me ask you this, how long do you work? Let's say you say sit at computer all day, a lot of meetings, workshops, etc., a lot of pressure. How long is that? From 9 to 3, often, no break. Yeah, okay. So if you can work from home, I would suggest sitting on a Pilates ball, not a regular chair. So while you're sitting at the PC, the ball is under you, and you're sort of, all the time you're sort of bouncing on the ball left and right. You're not stuck in this like banana shape, but you're sort of, your spine is always moving if you need to sit around a lot. And I would suggest next to your PC and next to your the table, you have the yoga mat right next to it, and as often as you can, make little breaks, 5-minute breaks, where you do, let's say, one downward dog, one heart opener, spine up, down, left, right, torsion, stretch like this, stretch like this. So throughout the 9 to 3, so that's 10, 11, 1, no, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So that's 6 hours. In these 6 hours, at least 5 breaks. At least every 1 hour you need to have 5 minutes of movement of this part, head and neck, and lower spine and hips, because these are where the most lymph nodes are, and we need to move the lymph nodes in order to keep ourselves healthy and to keep ourselves flowing. So if you're sitting all this day, break it up as much as possible, like 5 minutes, but really, just think of it. You have one meeting, and that meeting's over, and now you have 10 minutes until the next meeting. Full 10 minutes, get down on the floor, on that mat, and just breathe and move. So you know downward dog is very easy. Hip is quite sore recently. Yeah, mine as well, from sitting on the floor, and I need to move more. But yeah, we're not meant to sit around this much, and it's gonna take some time to get adjusted to more movement and breaking up your day like that. But anyone can do 10 minutes of yoga, and then in 2 hours 10 minutes of stretching, and then in 2 hours 10 minutes of just squats. Just you can put a timer, like a regular kitchen timer, and put it ring in 1 hour. And after that 1 hour is done, you turn it off, and then you do 5 minutes of like a regular there are really so many videos on the internet where you can find a 10-minute full body yoga session, a 10-minute full body flexibility session, where in 10 minutes you hit your shoulders, your neck, your entire spine, all of your hips, and just anyone can do a little snack. It's called like in the movement community, it's called movement snack. So you've done 1 hour of meetings. You can allow yourself 10 minutes of this, and then another hour, and then 10 minutes, and another hour, and then 10 minutes. And then at the end of the day, before bed, you treat yourself to, let's say, a full hour. You treat yourself to a full hour of massage. So let's say I have this. This is amazing. So this is like a bamboo brush, and it's very sturdy, and it's like, it opens you up, it relaxes you, and it's like, that's good. Then this is good. This is like for this, and it can also be for your arms. I'm wearing a glove because I'm using copper wire right now, so don't be, it's not weird, guys. This is not weird. So you can do that. You can you can massage your feet in the morning and at night, because the feet has so many reflexology acupuncture points. Yeah, so you need to feed yourself more, but the nourishment I'm talking about is not food. It's movement, it's breathing, it's rest. But not rest as sleeping, because you can sleep and be in this couch in this weird position, and like, it needs to be aware. You need to be awake and conscious, and then rest, and then provide yourself with nourishment. You gotta move more and be like this. So you've done 1 hour of meetings, so it's like, okay, Ainsley, you're doing enough. You deserve a little break. You deserve to stretch for 10 minutes, and then you go into the, like in the pool, you lay down on the mat, and on the floor, not the bed. The bed is another thing. You need to feel your own weight on the floor, and feel your bones being heavy on the floor. That's for the earth element. That's how you slow down. You become heavy. You feel your bones. Feel your bones. Do like, go like this. Go like this. Okay, I'll take off this glove. Looks weird. So go like this. And then find the collarbones. Go like this. Then go like this on the nose. On your head. Top of your head. The jaw. The knees. Just bang a little bit the bones, the hips, you know, that little point that comes out of your hips, if you have, like, I'm very slim, so I can feel everything. Feel maybe the spine a little bit, and the ankles. And now just sit and focus on your bones and feel how they're heavy, how they're very connected to gravity, and that's how you slow down. You connect to the earth element. That's the earth element. It's the densest part. It's what makes you, it's your anchor to this material world. It's your root. And when you're at the computer all day, you're in the air element. You're in the ether element. You're in the air, the thoughts, the creative expression, the communication, the network, the Wi-Fi, and it's all air element. And you need to, 1 hour of air, alright, I've done my stuff for the meetings and workshops. Close down your laptop and get on the ground and stretch. Get on the ground and stretch for 10 minutes and breathe, because you've been using up all this. The air, the brain sucks more energy than nothing else in the body, and then you need to replenish it, and then you need to lay down and just and then down into the bones, and then into the head, air into the head, and then bones, and like that for 10 minutes, and then do another hour. You will do 6 hours, it's gonna go like that, and you won't feel so fatigued. If you want a one-on-one, guys, if you want a one-on-one personal evaluation of your elements, you have too much of earth, too much of water, how you can balance it in your life, practical advice. If you want a meditation, check out everything through my website, through the Insight Timer profile. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that was helpful in some form or fashion. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. I do daily videos, daily live sessions on the Insight Timer app. If you go to the link in the description or the link up above here, you can join our Monday to Friday Q&A sessions on the Insight Timer app. It is completely free. We talk about holistic healing, psychotherapy, emotional health, mental health, the human design system, and energy work, aura and biofield. If you're having anxiety, depression, relationship problems, energy blockages, if you would like to know more about the human design system, come join us and become part of a huge, beautiful, supportive community of like-minded individuals. Join my consciousness bubble and come into this cycle of abundance with me. If you are new to human design, make sure to click the link in the description to go to my website where I have put my ebook called Initiation into Human Design, How to Get Started. It is a guide for people who are new to human design, who would like to learn more but don't know where to start. It's a step-by-step program, completely free for you to download. The website is called icreatelines.com. You can also find it in the description or by clicking the link somewhere in the edges of this video. I want to thank you for listening, for taking this time to spread awareness for yourself, for your health. I'm a holistic therapist, holistic practitioner, human design coach, and a psychotherapist. If you would like one-on-one private sessions, therapy sessions with me, you can also find them on my website. I would like to wish everyone peace, health, and abundance, and I will see you either in the next video or on my live sessions on Insight Timer. Peace, health, and abundance.